Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ETrade app. Open the app and sign in or create an account, then verify your identity with the prompts. Set up security features like biometrics and two-factor authentication. Familiarize yourself with the home screen layout, watch list, and account balances so you can navigate quickly. Adjust notification settings to stay informed about trades and market alerts without overwhelming your phone. Choose a ticker and open the trade ticket, then select buy or sell and pick an order type like market or limit. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount and double-check the estimated cost and any fees. Use time and force options to control how long the order remains active. Preview the order carefully, then submit when you are ready, and watch for confirmation to ensure execution completed successfully. Open the Orders tab to view active, filled, and canceled orders, and check execution details for each trade. Modify or cancel open orders when market conditions change, and use stop-loss and take-profit orders to automate risk management. Review trade confirmations and account statements regularly to reconcile activity. Use alerts to notify you of fills or price triggers so you can act quickly and keep your portfolio aligned with your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.